Welcome to my gorgeous, gorgeous house. It was built in the 1900s. There's quite a lot of house to show, so I'm going to go quite fast, but I talk quite fast, so it's good. No, I wasn't on holiday. It's just sitting there. Don't worry, I will tidy up if you decide to come. So we go up the stairs because we are the top half of the half villa. We have this absolutely gorgeous stained glass window. Such a gorgeous feature. This carpet though is not such a gorgeous feature. This is our hallway, which was very much used during lockdown as a home gym. Would very much like to see this much nicer. Just quickly in here, this is our dining room. This is currently my sewing table. Love Alice in Wonderland. This is our kitchen. This is our bathroom, which again is very, very dated. Lots of lovely space. But yeah, very 1990s. We're going to go up the stairs. Someone else leaves stuff on the stairs that they're going to take up, but they never do. Just me. Okie doke. This again, we've got to keep the husband happy, so we've got Star Wars for him. This is currently where I do my laundry. Another bathroom. This is an amazing room. Oof, ran up the stairs, man. So we've got this gorgeous space that's raised, which is where our bed is. I'd love some sort of like hanging canopy type situation. Yes, there's lots of clothes. I own lots of clothes. I'm a very clothy person. Oh, goodness, I'm out of breath. Okay, this is a very dated fireplace. I'd love a new fireplace. This is just, yeah. I've tried to jazz it up as best I can, but it's, yeah. This is a lovely nook. I currently have a mirror in it. Hiya. I feel like it could be better utilised, but I'm not quite sure how, because the light there isn't actually very good, so it's not a brilliant place for a mirror. We have built-in wardrobes, and then behind that door is our attic. I have lots of little knickknacks that I pick up from places, but they don't really match. But I'm not a matchy kind of gal. It's not a super tall room, but it is massive. Anyway, oh, that's 2 minutes up. Okay, bye.